Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to create a tied pricing in Shopify with that app. So to explain that, Shopify doesn't have a built-in tied pricing feature like volume discount by default, but you can manually set it up using a variant and discount code. No app required. So one common method is by creating a product variant based on quantity bundle. For example, you can add variants like 1 pack, 5 pack save 10%, and 10 pack save 20% as separate option within the product. Each variant has its own price reflecting the tied discount. So this is a simple visual way to offer a bulky discount on a product page. Another option is to use a Shopify's automatic discount. You can create a discount rule that applies a percentage or fixed amount off when customers buy a certain quality of product. So to do this, go to discount. From there, click on discount, click on the create discount. Then after that, select automatic discount. Then set a minimum quantity requirement. For example, buy 5 plus get 10% off, and apply it to a specific product or collection. So this allows you to offer a tied pricing like buy 5 plus then save 10% without the any app. However, Shopify only supports one automatic discount at a time, so it has a limit for complex tied structure. So for more advanced tied pricing with multiple levels, customer specific pricing, Shopify's default tools won't be enough. So you don't need an app or Shopify Plus script. But for basic volume based tied pricing, variant and automatic discount work just fine.